Welcome back to my channel and today's क्यू का टॉपिक इज़ डिस्क्राइब अ लाइन दैट यू रिमेंबर फ्रॉम अ पोएम और अ सॉन्ग। इसमें हमें दो चीज़ें बतानी है। एक तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वो लाइन क्या है किसी भी सॉन्ग या पोएम में से जो आज तक हमें याद है, और दूसरा ये कि उस सॉन्ग या पोएम का बताना है कि वो हमें कहाँ से पढ़ी और उसका टाइटल क्या था। तो आइए देखते हैं इसके फॉलोअप क्वेश्चंस को। फॉलोअप क्वेश्चंस आर व्हाट इट इज़, व्हाट पोएम और सॉन्ग इज़ इट फ्रॉम, हाउ यू नो अबाउट इट एंड हाउ यू फेल्ट अबाउट इट। मीन्स इसमें हमें बताना है कि क्या था, कौन सी लाइन थी वो, क्या वो पोएम की थी या वो किसी सॉन्ग की थी। उसके बाद हमें बताना है कि कैसे हमें उसके बारे में पता लगा, हमें कहाँ से वो सॉन्ग सुना या कहाँ से वो पोएम पढ़ी। फोर्थ और लास्ट है कि हमें उसे सुन के कैसा फील होता है। तो आइए देखते हैं इसके सिंपल आंसर क्यों। Poems are part of writing, which tries to express thoughts and feelings with the help of sound and rhythm. I am fond of reading books in the line which I remember from the poem and has a deep meaning in everyone's life. It is when things seems worst, then you must not quit. It is from a poem Don't Quit, written by John Greenleaf. The meaning of the line is no matter what kind of problem we are facing in life, but we should never give up and keep moving forward. Whenever I feel depressed or I am feeling very low, I get tend to go and read motivational thoughts and stories to pump up my jazz. One day while I was surfing through internet, I found this poem. Its title was so catchy. After that I couldn't stop it from reading this poem. It motivated me a lot and gave me positive vibes. Although I used to read stories and thoughts, when I read this poem I fell in love with reading poems. I made a chart of this poem and hung it on the wall of my room. However, I am not a professional writer, but this poem makes me interested in writing poems as well. When I am about to give up, then I generally read this poem, which encourages me to stay focused on my life goals. Moreover, this poem is suggested to me by my friends who are facing the toughest part of their life, and it helps to encourage them. Eventually, I would say I shall never forget this line in my whole life because of its meaningful words which have a direct connection to my heart. So, this was the sample answer for you, and I think it will be helpful for you. Thank you.